Hello, this is how you use the transform ability in SigFrog. To create a new transform, simply hover over the blue mapping arrow. You'll see it says create a value transform. Fields that already have a value transform applied to them will turn green-blue. Here I have a MPS score question that has a value transform. It's the first one from our list of Lookup. What this will do is, from our source file, we are getting the values of 10 and 9. Then it will provide the value of promoter to our target. Same thing with 8 and 7, it will provide the value of passive. 6 and lower, it will provide the value of detractor. This is great for matching bookend questions. For example, 10 excellent can be converted to just 10 if it's going to a numeric field. Great functionality as well is the includes feature. This is great for doing a search, for example, the word IBM, and you can have that converted to a specific account number if you know it in the system. Our next value transform that we have here is our lookup regular expression. Regular expressions will allow you to do data validation and data transformation as well. For example, this particular regular expression is just validating that I have 3 characters in this field. Our next transform is our isBlank value. What this will allow you to do is, if the value coming across from your source file is blank, then we can provide something specific in our box here. So for example, this comments field was blank, then I'm going to provide the value of did not answer the question. Next up is not blank. This allows you to send over a specific value for something if the question was answered. In this particular case, I'm using a Boolean checkbox to a IP address. So if this value has an IP address in my source file, then in my target it's going to check a box saying that there was an IP address, allowing me to configure if the survey was completed or not. Lastly is our pick list one. So here we have the value of nail gun going to our product pick list. Now, if there is no match on this particular pick list value, and the way pick lists work is if I pass over this value, it will add it to our pick list for us. If that's not something we want to happen, we have no pick list match, we can either say no match in pick list, then we can skip the field if we'd like, or we can use a specific value from our target. For example, I can select any of our pick list values inside of our target. So I will say nail gun equals quantum torpedoes, and it'll provide the value of quantum torpedoes. Thank you for watching. Happy leaping!